Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating an indoor terrarium underneath a staircase. Some person call it under staircase garden. So what I'm doing now guys is that I'm using two pieces of 2x4 board which I sprayed earlier. I'm using it as my border. I sprayed it earlier in black. So now I'm adding some sea stones. As you can see, I'm placing them on the tile. The stones are very smooth, so they are not going to scrape the tile. If you want to add something at the bottom before you place the stones in it, you can do so. I'm going to use some indoor plants in the terrarium, so I'm going to use this flower pot. Now I'm removing the wooden border just to get some more space to work with. Now I'm adding another flower pot filled with stones. I'm going to place a water fountain inside of the pot. It's a tabletop water fountain, so I place the stones in the pot just to elevate the fountain. I wanted a larger fountain, so what I did was to get a matching pot for the fountain that I'm using, elevate it with some stones, just to create the illusion of a large fountain. Now that I've finished setting up the fountain inside the pot, I'm going to plug it in now. Then I'm going to use some of the white stones to hide the cord. So now I'm just going to speed up the video guys, because all I'm just going to do is to just use the white stones to fill up the rest of the space. Now I'm setting up the border permanently, so I'm just using screws to join the two pieces of board. I'm adding some stones in the pot just to hide the color of the other pot that I placed earlier. I added another plant, and I'm also adding some garden stick lights. So there you have it guys, I have completed the terrarium and this is what it looks like. I added some LED lights at the back of the fountain. The crystal ball spins as the water flows down the tiers of stone. It creates a calm, relaxing ambience. The flow of the water is not too loud. The rolling ball is lit by LED lighting that gives off a peaceful, calming glow. So this elevated tabletop fountain gives the terrarium a touch of style and glam. I'll leave the link for the fountain and the planters in the description down below. So this is what it looks like when I dim the room light. As you can see, the LED lights at the back, they are brighter and it gives off a beautiful glow. I can change the color to whatever I want, but I prefer to keep it blue to give it that nice garden sea kind of scenery. And as you can see, the stick light, it gives off a beautiful reflection on the white stones. I added a statue in the garden, and here I have another stick light around here which is giving off a beautiful glow also. So now I dim the light another time. So as you can see, I'm just giving you a different scenery of what it looks like when the lights are dim. And as I mentioned before, guys, the fountain is not too loud. The reason why you're hearing it so loud is because my recording mic is near to the fountain. You're getting an echo. It is very calm, soothing, peaceful, and relaxing. So this is what it looks like when all the lights are off. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, remember to leave a thumbs up. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.